Hi, I'm Steve with Smart Law. I help law firms work smarter. Today we're going to talk about NetDocuments and some of the problems that NetDocuments solves. I'm going to talk about 7 problems that NetDocuments solves for law firms. The first is document storage and organization. NetDocuments is a cloud-based product, and so all of your documents are stored in the cloud. They manage all of your backups, all of your storage, all of the security, and all of the things that you would worry about if you had your documents stored locally on a server or on a computer in your office. There's no need for buying expensive drives or anything like that. Space is rented and they take care of all the management for you. Number 2 is collaboration and version control. Everyone who's logged into the NetDocuments system sees the same documents and can open and check out and check in documents as they need to. It also handles version control, so all of your versions of the document are stored within NetDocuments. These are the versions of the document, and so you can revert back to a version, open a previous version, and remove. There's also this official version, so that whatever document you click on here, if you're opening this document, you're opening up version 3, which is the official version, but you can revert back to any other version that you've done previously. This can be set up automatically so that when you open a document, it creates a new version if you'd like. All of this is built into the system and is very easy to use. The third is document security and compliance. This is one of the best features of NetDocuments because they simply handle all of your security concerns. You'll deal with sensitive documents, so you don't want these documents to fall into the wrong hands. NetDocuments has the highest level of security available today in cloud-based storage. They do a fantastic job of this. The fourth problem NetDocuments solves is document searching. Every document that is put into the NetDocuments system is automatically indexed. There are also profile values. You can search documents by their profile values or the content. I've got another video that I'll show you on this later, but it's just fantastic, great to use. The fifth problem NetDocuments solves is mobility. NetDocuments, since it is a cloud product, is available on your desktop, it's available on your phone, on your iPad, wherever you are, whenever you need documents, they're there, as long as you have an internet connection. The sixth problem NetDocuments solves is workflow automation. NetDocuments has a tool called Save Search, which I've helped law firms in the past help automate their workflow with paper mail that comes in the door. So the receptionist would scan the mail that comes in and then flag it for the specific case. It would then appear on the primary attorney's NetDocuments where they could see that piece of mail. They check off the box that says they've reviewed it, then it would go to the paralegal. Then they check off and file that document, and this is all done in a way that makes sense to the firm and works well. The seventh benefit to NetDocuments is integration with other tools. Other practice management tools like Clio or Salesforce, as well as Microsoft Office, Office 365. This will help you save documents directly from Word or Office programs directly into NetDocuments and pull documents directly from NetDocuments if you're wanting to save them and upload them to a website. As you can see, NetDocs is an amazing program. It does lots of great things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more information, like and subscribe down below. This is Steve with Smart Law. We help law firms work smarter.